आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे थर्मल पावर प्लांट के बारे में। ठीक है, तो इंडस्ट्री में जो पावर प्लांट होता है, थर्मल पावर प्लांट होता है, वो कैसे वर्क करता है, उसका वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल कैसे है, इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे। तो देखो क्या क्या मतलब सिस्टम रहता है इसमें। फर्स्ट आई विल ड्रॉ a block diagram of the thermal power plant. Suppose this is the boiler, okay, and this is the turbine, this is condenser, and this is feed pump. ओके, तो ऐसे साइक्लिक प्रोसेस ऐसे रन करता है। पहले क्या होता है, देखो बॉयलर के अंदर में पानी रहता है। ठीक है, तो पानी मतलब जो बॉटम पार्ट है, बॉटम पोर्शन में पानी रहेगा, ऊपर में ब्लैंक रहेगा। ओके, तो एट फर्स्ट क्या होगा, ये जो पानी है, ये पानी से क्या बनेगा, स्टीम बनेगा। इस स्टीम को बोला जाता है वेट सैचुरेटेड स्टीम। तो एट व्हेन द वाटर इज हीटेड, दिस वाटर इज कन्वर्टेड टू वेट सैचुरेटेड स्टीम and is collected into the dome shaped top portion. After that, this wet saturated steam pass through this line where the superheater is present. So this wet saturated steam reheated here. After that, this wet saturated steam is converted to superheated steam. After that, the superheated steam is entered into the turbine, and the superheated steam impinged into the turbine blades, and turbine start to rotate. When turbine start to rotate, the mechanical energy is produces. So in this portion, in case in the boiler portion, heat energy is formed, and its heat energy, when steam is directly impinged into the turbine blades, it's created. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, ये हीट एनर्जी से यहाँ पे मैकेनिकल एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस हुआ। ठीक है, आफ्टर दैट when it's impinged into the turbine blade, the turbine starts to rotate. After that and ये एक सैप के दौरान, ये कॉमन सैप के दौरान ये टर्बाइन के साथ यहाँ पे एक तो जनरेटर कनेक्टेड है। सो दिस जनरेटर एंड टर्बाइन coupled with the same shaft. When turbine is rotate, this shaft is also start to rotate, and generator is also start to rotate. So in this portion, mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy and produces electricity. After that, the steam which is used to start to rotate, after that this steam is come in that portion, and this is called the exhaust steam. Okay, and this exhaust steam is entered into the condenser, where some water is entered into the outward source, and this water is enter into the, this is called the surface condenser. Okay, in most of the power plant you can use the surface condenser. So this portion exhaust steam entered, and this portion the cooling water is passing through in this way. Okay, so this is the मतलब यहाँ पे जो स्टीम एंटर कर रहा है, इसके साथ यहाँ पे जो पाइप फ्लो हो रहा है, पाइप के अंदर से ये वाला वाटर जो है वो एंटर करेगा और यहाँ से निकल जाएगा। तो यहाँ से जो कांटेक्ट में आएगा, डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट नहीं होगा, इसके अलग चैनल रहता है और इसके अलग चैनल रहता है। तो दिस एग्जॉस्टेड स्टीम एंटर इनटू द condenser, and here it is come out, and this steam is condensed and make a liquid form. After that this steam is enter into the collected makes liquid form and collected into the hot well. ठीक है, इसको hot well बोला जाता है, इसको hot well बोला जाता है, इसको condenser बोला जाता है. This is the condenser, this is the generator, this is the turbine, and this is the boiler. Okay, after that it's enter into the hot well, and this is called the feed pump. Okay, feed pump इसका काम क्या है, यहाँ पे जो पानी आके जो यहाँ पे जमा हुआ है, इसको क्या करेगा, ये यहाँ से लेगा और ये पंप फीड पंप जो है इसके हिसाब से ऊपर फिर बॉयलर के अंदर में भेज देगा. तो दिस इज द दिस वाटर इज condensed and collected into the hot well. After that this water is passed through the feed pump and is directly enter into the boiler. So in this way whole the power plant is running. At first the water is heated and make a wet saturated steam, then it is entered into the superheater and make a superheated steam. After that is directly impinged into the turbine blade, and when turbine enter into directly impinged into turbine blade, this turbine starts to rotate, and this turbine is coupled with the same shaft with the generator. When turbine start to rotate, this common shaft is also start to rotate, and when this common shaft is also start to rotate, the generator start to rotate. So in this way this here mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy, and in this way heat energy is converted to mechanical energy. So electricity is produced, and this is the power line. Okay, so after that this exhaust steam entered into the condenser and condensed, and water is flowing through the outward direction. Okay, outward direction, and this exhaust stream came into the contact of this water, and after that this is condensed and make a liquid form, and it's collected into the hot well. After that this feed pump, through this feed pump this water is enter into the boiler. In this way the thermal power plant is running and produces electricity. So this is the basic working principle of the thermal power plant. Thank you.